Good evening everyone, we're in Ilford, just outside London, at Capital Cars, a regular client of ours now. They've sold a client this Range Rover Sport. Unfortunately, it's got a sticky turbo, so they've called me in. I'm doing a 3-stage carbon clean on it at the moment. So it's having its hydrogen clean right now. We've already done the chemical clean and the injector cleaners in the tank. There's a emergency vehicle coming past, so I'll shut up and wait for that to go past. Sorry about that guys, can't control that. So yeah, sticky turbo, so we're doing a 3-stage clean on that. The chemical dries out the oily gunk and stickiness on the turbo, and then the hydrogen will hopefully take the carbon away. So this process takes about 45 minutes to an hour, including diagnostics, and costs £149.99. If you need us, we do DPF cleaning as well. We do 1, 2, 3, 4 stage carbon cleaning, diagnostics and remapping. You can get us by calling 01293 769495 or send us a message. Have a great day guys.